Dogs can eat strawberries, as they are non-toxic to canines and can provide them with several health benefits. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system and protect against cellular damage. They also contain a small amount of fiber, aiding digestion. However, it's important to remember that while strawberries are safe for dogs to eat, they should be given in moderation. Like any treat, too many strawberries can lead to an upset stomach, diarrhea, or obesity. It's always best to consult your veterinarian before giving your dog any new type of food. Please like and subscribe.